Online fashion is booming, and I'm not just talking about the influencers on Instagram or other social media platforms. I'm talking about billions of dollars in sales. With more and more shoppers skipping the mall and heading straight to their favorite online boutiques. WooCommerce themes are pre-designed templates built especially for WordPress websites that use the WooCommerce plugin to run an online store. These themes provide the visual layout, design elements, and built-in functionalities needed to create a stylish and user-friendly e-commerce site perfect for showcasing and selling fashion products. For a fashion store, the right WooCommerce theme does more than just look good. It creates a smooth shopping experience that matches the brand style, highlights the product with elegance, and ensures the site works well on all devices. Whether you are running a boutique or a large-scale fashion brand, choosing the right theme sets the foundation for both aesthetics and performance. Key criteria for evaluating a WooCommerce theme for fashion stores: modern and responsive design. The theme should look sleek and stylish and adapt flawlessly to all screen sizes, especially mobile, where most fashion shoppers browse. Customization options. Easy to use customization tools like drag and drop builders allow you to tweak colors, fonts, layouts, and product displays without needing to code. Product showcase features look for themes with image sliders, lookbooks, zoom effects, and product quick view options to visually highlight clothing, accessories, and outfits. Performance and speed. A fast loading theme enhances the shopping experience and can reduce bounce rates, important for SEO and conversions. WooCommerce integration. Seamless compatibility with WooCommerce and its features like product filters, size, color variation, and secure checkout is essential. SEO and mobile optimization. Built-in SEO-friendly code and mobile-optimized design help improve search rankings and attract more traffic. Support and updates. Reliable customer support and regular theme updates ensure security, bug fixes, and compatibility with the latest WooCommerce and WordPress versions. Now, let's explore the WooCommerce themes. Shopmania. The Shopmania theme is a powerful and versatile WooCommerce theme ideal for creating a stylish and high-performing fashion store. Designed with speed in mind, it delivers fast loading times and smooth performance across all devices, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for customers. It is SEO friendly, built with optimized code to help your store rank higher in search engine result and attract more organic traffic. The Shopmania is highly customizable and fully compatible with Elementor and Gutenberg, allowing users to design pages effortlessly without any coding knowledge. It has a wide range of pre-made layouts for various sections such as product grids, banners, testimonials, and featured categories, making it easier to build up a polished and visually appealing store. It comes with more than 50 website templates. They are tailored with fashion and e-commerce, which can be imported with a single click, perfect for quickly launching a professional looking online boutique. Overall, Shopmania blends flexibility, performance, and elegant design to help fashion brands create a beautiful and functional online presence. Flotsam. The live theme options panel in Flotsam is a real-time customization tool built into the WordPress customizer. It gives you a visual interface where you can tweak nearly every aspect of your website and see the changes instantly. It is multilingual and global ready. This feature in Flotsam ensures your store can reach international audience. It supports RTL languages and is WPML compatible and includes translation ready files. It is compatible with various WordPress plugins including Elementor, Yoast SEO, MailChimp, YITS Wishlist, and more. It comes with a powerful drag and drop header and footer builder, allowing you to design custom headers and footers for your website. Top Store. You can choose from multiple pre-designed header and footer styles to match your brand and enhance navigation. Moreover, you can engage your customers with dynamic product displays, hover effects, quick views, and featured item sliders that turn browsing into buying. The intuitive color and background manager make your store's aesthetic with mix, match, and preview in real time to stay on board. If you don't want to design widgets, then no problem. It has a collection of professionally designed widgets. You can speed up your designing from banners and carousels to testimonials and promotional boxes, all easily customizable. Goodmart. It has a clean, organic design for your fashion store. It seamlessly integrates with Elementor or WP Bakery for full layout control with zero coding. You can create multi-level menus with images, banners, and icons perfect for stores with the large product catalogs. Additionally, choose from a variety of professionally crafted demos or niches like furniture, fashion, decor, or handmade goods. Cadence. With the help of its pre-made sites, you can launch your site fast with pre-built starter templates for niches like online courses, portfolios, e-commerce, coaching, and more. This theme is built for speed with clean code and optimized loading times. You can control colors, fonts, spacing, and button styles across your entire site from one place. It is fully accessible and built with clean semantic markup to help your site rank higher in search engines. Now let's see the essential features of Fashion Store. User-friendly interface. A clean, intuitive layout ensures visitors can easily browse categories and products. Smooth navigation encourages longer sessions and higher conversion rates. High-quality product images. Multiple high-resolution images from different angles provide a realistic view of items. Zoom in and collect selection features enhance the shopping experience. Real-time inventory updates. Keep stock level accurate to avoid overselling and disappointment. Automatically update availability across platforms as purchases are made. Customer reviews and ratings. Allow customers to rate and review products for transparency. Builds trust and provides social proof to encourage sales. Secure checkout. Use SSL encryption and offer trusted payment options like credit cards, PayPal, and digital wallets. Builds customer trust and reduces cart abandonment. Social media integration. Enable easy sharing of product and promote through influencers or campaigns, drive traffic and strengthens brand presence across platform. Tips for choosing the right theme. Check for e-commerce features. Choose a theme compatible with WooCommerce. Also ensure features like product zoom, quick view, wishlist, and easy checkout. Focus on visual appeal. Use a theme that emphasizes large, high-quality images and logos. Choose layouts over support visual storytelling such as sliders, galleries, or video banners. Customization options. Opt for a theme that allows you to easily tweak colors, fonts, and layouts without deep coding knowledge. This helps you updating the site time to time. Also, keep your store fresh and on board as trends evolve. Ensure easy navigation. Look for themes with clean, intuitive menus and product filtering. A seamless browsing experience keeps users engaged and boost conversions. Scalability and updates. Choose a theme that can grow with your business. Make sure the developer regularly updates it for security and compatibility. In this video, we explored some of the top WooCommerce fashion themes, each offering standout features tailored to elevate your online store. From visually striking designs to seamless mobile responsiveness and e-commerce functionalities. We also shared essential tips to help you choose the right theme for your fashion store, including important points to keep in mind before selecting a theme. Choosing the right WooCommerce theme isn't just about looks, it's about creating a cohesive, functional, and memorable shopping journey. Take the time to take demos, read reviews, and match features to your specific business needs. With the right theme, your fashion store can stand out and drive real results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have a favorite theme or any questions we would like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.